the Reckoner series. Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into an essential tool for every entrepreneur. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your business skills, this guide will be your best friend. What is a business reckoner? It helps you to manage your business more effectively. And it includes crucial elements like financial calculations, budgeting tips, and business metrics. By using these, you can track your expenses, understand your profits, and make informed decisions. Why is it important? For rural entrepreneurs, it helps in streamlining operations and ensuring sustainability. With a business reckoner, you'll be able to budget wisely, plan for future growth, and handle financial challenges with confidence.